In today's video, we're going to be shaving with Highland Springs Tobacco Oud and my Karve Christopher Bradley in beautiful brass. If you like the sounds of that, stay tuned. Let's get shaving. Greetings, friends. Welcome to the den with me, J-Mac, the Red Island Shaver, for the midweek video. And yes, that's right, Highland Springs Soap Company, also known as HSSC Tobacco Oud. And oh yes, yes. Get a look at that label. You got the tobacco leaf there. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Full disclosure, this is a gift from the Lathering. That is Rui and some other friends in the wet shaving sphere. So thank you very much, gentlemen. I really do appreciate this this kind gift, and I'm really going to enjoy this one. I love tobacco scents. Get a look at that pour, nice and dark. Oh yeah, oh, it's so good. Right off the tub, I'm getting just a nice, kind of a dark tobacco. Definitely, it's not like sweet tobacco like Havana Vea, but definitely a darker tobacco. And some of that oud. I do pick up a hint of whiskey and some spiciness. And yeah, very, very nice. The brush, we're going to go with the Simpsons Trafalgar T3, the official brush of the Canadian Mafia and the CanadianMafia Show. And speaking of the CanadianMafia Show, we are live tonight at 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern. And you might want to tune in, because if you like the looks of these Trafalgar T3s, you just never know what might happen in tonight's show. So you might want to stay tuned. Just saying. Anyway, we'll get in here with this load. This is their beef tallow formula, and I do quite like Highland Springs tallow formula. I also quite like their vegan offerings. Both bases are great. Just a great soap company. And yeah, we're really going to enjoy this shave. Scent notes in this are tobacco and oud, like the name says, and whiskey, spices, and sandalwood. And oh man, it's so nice. It's so nice. I'm really digging it. Digging it already. Just a nice woody, oudy. Oudy, is that a word? It is now. Oudy, woody, spicy tobacco. And that tobacco is kind of in the forefront. Oh, so good. So good. We will set that there just in case we need more, but I think we have a sufficient load on the brush. And we lather. So hopefully everybody's having a great week. Mine has gone quite well so far. Enjoying some nice shaves. Hanging out with everybody in the community. Excited for the show tonight. It's always a good time when the Mafia is on. I have a good time with those lads. Oh, very nice. So this is opening up a little bit more as I start to lather. A little bit more of that oud is peeking through. That woody note. The tobacco is getting a little bit more vibrant, almost kind of like a green tobacco. Oh yeah, that's very nice. That's very nice. That's definitely in my wheelhouse. Yeah, I'm a big fan of tobacco scents. Big fan of woody scents, spicy scents, citrus scents, fougères. I pretty much like it all. I don't really think there's too much I don't like. I guess the easiest way to describe it is I just really like good scents. If it's well done, well balanced, I can kind of pick apart some of the scent notes, I'm probably gonna like it. We're gonna go for a fairly quick lather tonight. Just doing a DE shave. That being said, this is hydrating quite quickly. Getting lots of lather pushed down into the flow through. Yeah, very nice. Scent strength, good solid medium. It's not super strong. It's not like a 8 or a 9, but I'd probably put it about a good 6, maybe a 6.5. That's, yeah, maybe actually, come to think of it, that might be a little bit above medium. Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice lather right there. Perfect for what I need to do with it. Got all kinds of lather in the brush. That will work. That will work. So we'll get into the shave portion of the video. A little bit of cleaning up. Shaved yesterday evening as I'm doing this video. It's actually Monday evening. Got these. I got this and some stuff from Shannon's Inn, which will be featured in upcoming videos. And I just couldn't wait to shave with it. So like I said, the Karve brass 4-inch handle, B-plate, safety bar. It's getting a nice little patina on it. I haven't cleaned this one in a while. And I'm kind of digging how it's looking right now. So I think we're going to go with that. We have a second use people's blade in here, also known as the Wisdom Met. We're just going to go for a nice, easy riding shave. This is the Karve Christopher Bradley, as I said. Blade gap is 0.73 millimeters. Neutral blade exposure. Weighs in at 120 grams. This is the razor that made me fall in love with Karve. An unreal shaver out of the box. And there we go. First pass down in the books, which you'll tap over to cold water. And the cold water shaver. I'm a cold water shaver with warm lather. I keep my brush in a scuttle to let the lather stay warm. But I like to do cold water rinses. So I like, as I just flop some lather here. I just like that feeling of the warm lather and then the cold rinse. I don't know, I'm gonna get a little yin and yang thing going there, yin yang, and I dig it. Dig it a lot. Oh man, that smells so good. Whew. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Really, really happy to have this soap. I may have hydrated it just a little bit too much, but that's okay. It's plenty slick. Even if it starts to collapse a little bit due to a shaver error, it's still slick enough to get the job done. As we go across the grain here, get that first wonky, kind of angled pass. Like I talked about in other videos, you know, sometimes you may have to change your routine up for different types of shaving. For me, how I DE shave is different from how I straight razor shave, or shavette shave, or some implement with a single unguarded blade in it. And you know, it keeps you on your toes. Different techniques, different ways of doing things. Actually, no, you know what? This lather's all right. Yeah, there's still quite a bit of lather in that brush. It's not disappearing on me. If anything, I think the scent strength is getting stronger as I go subsequent passes here. Oh, that's really well done. That's just a beautiful tobacco scent, in my opinion. And then we'll go for the wonky sideways pass in the other direction. This is the Karve, so ride that cap. That's the sweet spot on the Karve Christopher Bradley, is to cap ride it. If you ride it, you'll Oh, Jesus. Don't know if I should say that. If you ride it, you will get the results you desire. There you go. I will say it. Oh boy. Oh, I like to get myself in trouble with these random thoughts that come into my mind sometimes. But yeah, ride that cap. Let it do the work. Pop your favorite blade in here and you will be rewarded. Oh, a fantastic shave, just like that. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. We are going to rock and roll with that. It's going to leave me feeling good all night long. I have a feeling this splash is going to have a bit of a kick to it as far as scent strength goes. And I will be smelling this long into the night. Residual slickness on this soap is off the freaking chain too. Unreal. My face is super slick. I could shave on that easily. But I won't. I'm just gonna pat dry. I'm actually gonna leave some of that. Try and leave some of that moisture on the face actually, because it's moisture and it's extra scent. It smells like the soap, so why not? And all right, get into the splash. You gotta do the shake. Gotta wake everything up. Witch hazel based splash, which you guys know I am a fan of. Good nice restrictor in there. They've changed up their bottles. I dig it. I dig it. Oh yeah. Big hit of spice right off the bat. Nice warming spices. Drying down into. There's the tobacco. Some of that whiskey. The woody notes. I like that. I like it so much. Put a little bit more on. Oh, that's very good. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Okay, Chris and Mary. Yep, you guys have done it again. What an absolutely gorgeous scent. That is unreal. Unreal. Instant favorite. Instant favorite. Wow. All right. Well, I guess that was the shave for Wednesday, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Hopefully we'll see you on the Canadian Mafia Show tonight. There's always room for you guys to pull up a chair, pour a drink, have fun in the comments section, and hang out with us for a couple hours on a Wednesday evening. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It helps our community grow and helps my channel grow, and we all win. So until next time, my friends, be safe, be kind to one another. Most importantly, have a great day and even better shave. We're going to catch you in the next one. Peace.